Hello guys, my name is Kriti. In today's video we will learn how to set up the environment for web development. So first of all we need a code editor. There are many types of code editors are available in online such as Sublime Text, Atom, Visual Studio Code, Notepad++ and Vim. The most popular of these is Visual Studio Code and it is used in various professional work. So first of all, we see how to download VS Code. At first, we go to Google Chrome browser for that and search in the search box Visual Studio Code. After searching, click on the first website that comes up. After entering the first link on the site, we can see download for Windows option. We simply click on it. After clicking, we will see on the right side that the download has started. After download, we will click on the Show in Folder button. After clicking, it will take us to where the VS Code downloaded. After going there and right click on the VS Code, click on Run as Administrator option. After Administrator of runs, if it asks for permission, say yes. Now click on the I accept the agreement button and click next. Click next on the next page, then click the install button. After install, click on the finish option. Now before going to VS Code, go where you want to save your project and create a new folder. After the create, now go to the VS Code. Now click on the above file. After clicking file, click on new file. Then create a first file named index.html. Then click on the file you created for the project. In this way, create another file named style.css. After the style.css, create another file named script.js. Now come to the extension. First of all, what is extension? Extension make programming easier for programmers. By this, we can do many things in shortcut. There are some popular extensions in the extension which are mentioned. Download one by one. To add extension, go to 5 number option on left side of VS Code. Search in the search box auto closing tag. Then install it. Also download this rename extension. Type in the search box live server and install it. After downloading live server, download printer code formation and Tenacious design theme. Now you can start coding by VS Code. Thanks for watching. See you again with another informative video.